Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Payam Kashefi. Me and my friend Ali Karami, we have been doing investigation in UFOs for a long time, and we have gone in depth to every document, every video, every picture, every radar document, every material that have been supporting or witnesses any object being seen in the sky. We have been researching space astronomy, any objects flying over the space, over our planets. We need to know about the truth of what's going on around our planet. Pilots, from generals, from astronomers, from scientists, from normal people, from anybody in any field. We have been talking to them.
At the bottom of the hour, we'll be joined by a retired U.S. Air Force pilot who is a skeptic. One of our four pilots. Could they come forward?
That's what I was going to say, Larry. There's a guy here at the National Press Club last November just gave his DVD, but Dubuc, 1994 Air France pilot, witnessed a saucer-shaped craft roughly a mile across. He testified at the National Press Club about this. He's doing a little illustration, and it was investigated by
بود و این موجود فضایی دیدین. چه چیزی دیدین واقعا؟ میتونیم واسه همه اینو توضیح بدیم که؟
آره، من یه نور خیلی روشنی دیدم که خیلی مشکوک بود. بعد خیلی دقت کردم دیدم نور مشکوک نه ستاره است، نه هواپیما، نه هلیکوپتر، نه چیزی که میتونه باشه. آنستلی فقط میتونه یه سفینه فضایی باشه، چیزی دیگه به غیر از اون نبود.
و حرکتش چجوری؟
حرکتاش خیلی سریع بود، یعنی بالا پایین میشد like you know very fast. بعد از 2 ساعت مثلا دیگه رفت.
چه رنگایی داشتین؟
چند تا رنگ، آبی، قرمز، زرد، همه.
خب توی مدت دیگه تو آمریکا چه چیزی دیدیم شب؟
توی آمریکا که با هم بودیم، ویلیامسبورگ بود که یه واقعا دیسکاوری خیلی خوبی بود، تونستیم از نزدیک یوفو رو ببینیم و خیلی خوشحال شدیم که تونستیم یوفو رو توی USA هم ببینیم.
we are not alone. Last 50,000 years we have records of the cavemen, Stone Age, pyramids in Egypt. Why 8,000 years ago, 200 years after the cavemen coming out of the caves, and suddenly we have this high technology to build pyramids? Go all around and witness all the crafts we have, witness everything we have, and you will find the truth that there are other intelligent forms out there. We need to combine, we need to unite, become one.